Hello and welcome to my channel Abstract. Today I have brought you a topic which you can very closely relate to. So here it goes. 20 interesting facts about the human history you probably didn't know. Number 1. Hunters and gatherers. Humans have been hunter or the gatherers for 99% of their history. Think about it. When you have food on the plate, some times ago you would have been eating that food sitting on a rock watching a sunset. Heavy and tall. Humans are 50% heavier and 4 inches taller in the past 100 years than they have been throughout most of the human history. Number 3. Victory over disease. In 5000 years of human history, only one disease have been eradicated completely, that is smallpox. Number 4. Christopher Columbus and the discovery of Americas. When Columbus discovered the Americas, the continent was already inhabited by 90 million people, which was a 1/3 of the world's population then. Number 5. The early visitor. Leif Erikson is regarded as the first European to land in North America nearly 500 years before the Christopher Columbus. Number 6. The peaceful times. We are living in the most peaceful time in the human history. Now that is called a positive development, right? Number 7. The Deadly War. World War I was the 6th deadliest conflict in the world history after World War II, Three Kingdoms War, Mongol Conquest War, European colonization of Americas, and the Taiping Rebellion War. Number 8. The Tall Man. Napoleon wasn't short as it's known to the most of the people. He was actually above the height of an average European man. Number 9. The Tough Times. In 1536 AD, there was a worldwide dust cloud that blocked out the sun for a year, resulting widespread of famine and disease. Number 10. The Dead People. About 100 billion people have died in all human history. It covers more surface area than we have on our earth. So basically, you are sitting or standing on someone's grave right now. Isn't that spooky? Number 11. The loudest sound. The eruption of Krakatoa in 1883 was the loudest sound recorded in the human history. The sound was so loud that it was heard 3000 miles away or 4800 kilometers away. Number 12. The Egyptian myth. The pyramids were built by paid laborers, not the slaves. That's a myth created by the Herodotus, the Greek historian. Number 13. The traffic. The first car accident occurred in 1891 in Ohio, United States of America. At that time, there were only 2 cars in the whole state. Isn't that ironic? Number 14. Just white. From 1814 to 1830, the flag of Kingdom of France was just plain white. Number 15. Young men. Life expectancy of men in ancient Rome was from 20 to 30 years because the major chunk of the Rome's population was a warrior and most of them died in the war. Number 16. The white slaves. Over 1 million Europeans were captured and sold as a slave to North Africa between 1530 to 1780. Number 17. The young soldiers. 30,000 children took part in a children's crusade to capture Jerusalem in 1212 AD. Most of them died in the journey itself, and some of them were sold in the slavery. Way to go, parents! Number 18. Eunuch submission. Sucking a king's nipple was a gesture of submission in ancient Ireland, and I thought I was the one taking sarcasm too seriously. Number 19. The trial. The Catholic Church once put a dead pope on trial. The pope must have really done something horrible. Though I hope he is in peace right now. Number 20. The go-to medicine. In 16th and 17th century, Europeans, including royalties, priests and scientists, routinely ingested remedies containing human bones, bloods and fats as a medicine for everything from headache to epilepsy. Jeez, I am really thankful we have paracetamol and Disprin to deal with such problems now. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the facts. If you did, like, share and subscribe my channel and press that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload my next video. And drop a comment in the comment section below about what you like the most in this video. See you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.